Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah.
Hi guys, how are you? I hope that you are all fine and all healthy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to share to you the beauty of PANTAI in the KAPUK 2. We are about to go now, and later I'm gonna give you a review. So stay tuned. And for those who are new in my channel, welcome here. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and especially click the notification bell so you will always be updated every time I uploaded a new video. So there you go. Let's go. Join me. Alright guys, look, where am I? I'm inside the car on the way to PANTAI in the KAPUK. That what they call the white sand beach, because I don't have anything to do at home. Actually, it's our term break, so I need to rest my mind. I wanna refresh also, so I decided to go PANTAI in the KAPUK, white sand beach. Later I'll go. Alright guys, we are here now. As you can see, we just parked Now we are about to go to the white sand. Join me. Guys, look. Here is what they call peak. Namanya ini peak 2, peak 2. It's still many people. Even if it's pandemic, you can see. But we're gonna try to stay far from the crowd. Okay guys, we are here. Enjoy the view. Look, it's so crowded. Not really crowded, but it's still many. This one. It's not weekend, loh. People really don't care, you know, if they are wearing masks or not.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hi guys, look, we are here in what they call San Antonio. It's the Viking area. So we're gonna try to take a holiday. Join me. Okay guys, as you can see, it's like in Singapore. At the side is a lake. This is the place where you can rent bike. And this is also a jogging area. Okay guys, so look, if in the morning there's a lot of people here for jogging. That is the area for renting the bikes. There's also double. Guys, now that we are tired of walking, we stopped by a milk tea shop. We want to buy drinks first because we are sweaty. So, look how they make it. Mbak, aku ambil video ya. Apa-apa ya. I ordered salted caramel boba fresh milk because according to Mbak, this is recommended. Guys, if you want to come here and you want to ride a bike, you just come here at the side. You can see. Ini baru buka ya?
Iya, Bu.
Kapan?
Hari Sabtu, Bu.
Oh, hari Sabtu.
Iya. Milk dong. Milk tea.
Alright guys, we are now done with the biking area and the jogging area. Now we're gonna try to go to the Pancoran, they call it Pancoran, or the Chinatown. And look guys, it's so dark. Look at the sky. It's about to rain. It's about to rain guys. The sky is so dark. See, we are now here in Chinatown, PANTAI in the KAPUK, in Jakarta, Utara. Like we are in China, you know. Look. Alright, we're gonna get inside, yeah? Join me. Okay, we are now inside, as you can see. Oh, we got this. Okay, feels like we are in China. Ada tali. There's a dog barking. And here is the statue. Who is this? I don't know. Just roam around other side. Okay, the traditional dresses of Chinese people. Two. Take video. Oh guys, look, the pork. Not like this. Guys, it's all food stalls. Mostly food stalls. We are now going out. We just roam around. Okay, and this is the double deck bus. Alright guys, we are now entering the Chinatown. Now we are about to go home and look at the background. It's so cool. I hope you enjoy my travel or my adventure here in Peak 2. Stay safe everyone, and those who haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so you will always be updated every time I uploaded a new video. Remember, be consistent so you will have success. Okay? Bye guys! See you again in my next vlog!